not permitted to be used on this ride at any time. Please leave cell phones with a non-rider or keep them deep.
Please remain seated in an upright position and keep your arms and legs well inside the train at all times. Thank you and enjoy your ride on the Sea Serpent.
Guests waiting in line. Shoes are required on this ride. Please do not take off your shoes. While you are waiting, please prepare to place all loose articles, including caps, cell phones, and anything else that cannot be safely secured, into the loose army bags on the exit side of the platform. Morey, Piers, and its employees cannot be held responsible for any lost, stolen, or damaged items. If any loose article injures another guest, you will be held liable for their injuries. Cell phones are not permitted to be used at any time during the ride. Again, please keep your shoes on and wear what type you are wearing. Thank you.
Will automatically release. Please gather up all belongings and exit to the right and center of the station. Once again, the exit is to the right and center of the station. Thank you for riding the Sea Serpent and enjoy the rest of your stay here at Morey's Piers.